Hello YouTube, Henry Lucero here with Aero Electric Service. Today I'd like to talk to you a little bit about surge protection. First of all, what is a surge? A surge can come in different forms. It can be in the form of a lightning strike to your home or business. It can come in the form of large appliances cycling on and off, like your dryer and your air conditioner cycling on and off can cause a surge. And also the utility company, when they power switch their grids on and off, there can be a surge coming from the power utility company. So that surge, anytime there's an excess of voltage, and for most residents and businesses it's 120, 240 volts, anything above that voltage, and that's considered a surge. So what is a power surge suppressor? This is a power surge suppressor, and we can install these in every home and business. And what it does is it limits the voltage from going above that threshold, or that usable voltage of 120 and 240 for most residences and businesses. So that's what it does. It stops the voltage from going too high, therefore protecting your expensive electronic equipment, because today's modern homes have a lot of expensive TVs, electronics, iPads, laptops that are very expensive, and a power surge can damage that equipment. We've been to customers' homes where they've had lightning strikes and it has damaged almost every appliance in the house. So give us a call if you have any questions about power surges or surge equipment and surge suppressors. We can install these in any home or business. There's different sizes, but we can do that. So if you have any questions or concerns about surge suppressors, or if you want to know if your house is surge protected, give us a call. We'd be glad to come out and give you an assessment. Thank you for watching.